heard he wanna lay it down on Iggy. Iggy gave it to him twice, now he want a 3 mic Baby Diva, but I need a bad boy. Rest in peace, Whitney, pardon me, but I don't think none of these bitches.
Now I'ma show you blood of love. There's no belly, you bounce wrong. Though amounts to no telling, there'll be no telling. Snitches, get it back, the wax to your backs for my boy. What part of the game is that? Huh? Suckers and they feelings, cause I handle your dealings. Keep your name intact, my fame's intact. So cops won't know what it's hitting for. Now girls wanna know what you did some gold.